Today I am reviewing Lumary Smart Recessed lighting. This box comes with a 4-pack and already it looks pretty fun. Now I'm going to go ahead and use these recessed lightings here in my guest bedroom / edit suite, and I'm really excited to do this. So let's go ahead and look what's on the box here. All right, get the model number, the voltage, the wattage, lumens, all kinds of cool stuff. Shows easy to install. Instructions. Pretty cool. You actually can see you have the app you could download, just like a lot of these smart product companies now. And you could play around with different colors and tones and all kinds of cool stuff. Connects to your internet, and they got voice control using Alexa or Google. And yeah, we'll download this once we install these, and then let's go through that whole process. Alright, so here it is. It comes in a 4-inch or 6-inch. I wasn't too sure what I had at my house. I think the most common one is a 4-inch, so I ended up winging it and having them send it to me, and it looks like they are 4 inches, so I lucked out here. But that's something you might want to measure, get on a stool or a ladder and measure the width of the lights at your house to see what size they are before you purchase them. But I'm sure you can always take them back. It's just inconvenience. So here it is. This makes it pretty easy since I already have recessed lighting. Looks like I could, these metal pieces, I guess, snap in, which I'll show you in a second. And then this will, you take out your old bulb inside the lighting up there, and it's like you snap this in, look at that, snap it in, and then you'll just tuck it around like that, snap it in, and it should work. So let's go ahead and get a stool, get up on it, and put these things up. Okay, here's the first one. Since all my lights here, this is my situation. I have 2 switches, 6 lights. Each switch gives 3 lights. So I'm just gonna do 3 here, and then the second one I'll put like in my daughter's room or something. And yeah, so power's off now. And then unscrew it here. Set this right there. Gonna hang this and screw this into the fixture. Okay. Okay. So that's one. I'm going to turn the light on just to see what it looks like and see if it does anything. It's really simple. I just did this in a couple minutes, and we're going to wait for it to get dark. So right now I'm going to go do some swimming. Sun goes down, I'll be back to show you guys what it's all about. Basically, it looks like it was individually, you could change them. Let's go with party. You can see it's changing it to, let's go with this color here. Top left corner you can see. So as you can see, there are a lot of different things you can do on this smart app, and it just comes down to me playing with it and taking the time to learn where all the features are. But this gives you an idea of this product and what it does. When I say guest bedroom, one of my daughters, she actually stays in here when she's visiting dad. So this will be fun for her to connect to her phone and to play with it. I definitely like it. It's pretty cool. There's a lot of cool colors, and it sets the tone for just whatever tone you're looking for. I like it. 2 thumbs up, and I'll put the link in the description if you guys are interested in it, and you can click it and purchase it, or you can look more information on it. And yeah, I'm happy. This is a good product, and I am looking forward to doing possibly some more rooms. Maybe my bedroom. Who knows? All right, guys, I will see you in the next video.